This golf course and hotel in Ireland is truly something out of a fairy tale. In this video, I'll show you my 2-night stay and what made this location so special. We just arrived in Dublin and now we're ready to go get in the rental car and head over to the west side of Ireland. I'm honestly pretty nervous about driving here on the left side of the road. It is about a 4-hour drive from Dublin to Doonbeg. The drive is gorgeous, and while there are some areas where you'll have to go very slow, those times are a great opportunity to take in the gorgeous views of driving through Ireland. It's also funny when you're focused on driving on the left-hand side of the road, just how quickly time flies. As I pull up the Trump International Doonbeg, it also feels like I've been transported back in time. The cobblestone and historic Celtic design is picturesque and feels a bit surreal in the best way. A quaint little gift shop welcomes you before entering into the hotel. All of these beautifully handmade items were perfect for souvenirs and gifts. Most of the items were locally made as well, and it was very convenient to do my shopping just outside the hotel. Walking up to the entrance, I also met the local legend, Missy. Missy is a resident who lives just outside the entrance of the reception area, and she has her own little bed to keep her warm. She loves laying in the sun there, and she greets the guests as they come in and out of the hotel. The interior of the hotel is stunning and it's rich with history. We stayed in one of the presidential suites right next to this cozy gallery and seating area. I could literally spend days looking at all the artwork and history that lines the walls of this hotel. I'm going to give you a quick tour. The staff has been amazing and they unloaded all of our bags and brought them straight to the room while the room was being prepared for us. So I have the golf bag here and then we're gonna come through the hallway. I can't believe these views. This is incredible. This surpasses all of my expectations. And I'm just gonna need a minute to look at this view. The hotel and staff really thought of everything to make their guests feel special and for their trips to be unique to them. They have several different types of rooms where you can request certain views as well when you're booking. This is from the Presidential Suite, room 9. You can hear the ocean. Lovely. Okay, let's look around a little bit more, but I'm gonna come right back to this view. And we are here celebrating an anniversary. So the staff has left us such a sweet gift. We have a drink in the fridge already chilled for us and some chocolates. So we feel really special walking into the suite. There's also a hat because I'm playing golf tomorrow at Doonbeg. So this says Doonbeg on it. I'll be wearing it. And I'll be showing you the course in a different video. The sweet card and these sweet gifts. Thank you so much, staff at Trump Hotels. Okay, let's see more of the suite. Well, it's pretty obvious the Trump International Doonbeg Hotel has outdone themselves. This suite is incredible. These views are unreal. I'm ready to go fix a quick drink downstairs and watch more of the golf on 18 and then check out the rest of the hotel. I'm gonna bring you along with me though. As we tour more of the hotel, we'll take a step back in time to when the lodge at Doonbeg opened in 2006. This was just 4 years after the grand opening of the golf course, which was marked by an exhibition match between Greg Norman and the Irish Ryder Cup star Padraig Harrington. In 2014, the Trump organization purchased the resort and renamed it the Trump International Golf Links and Hotel Doonbeg. The course and hotel was heavily invested in while under new ownership. However, the rich history and local roots are woven into every aspect of this hotel and resort. Of course, I had to try some Irish whiskey, and the bar had a huge selection to choose from. One of my favorites was by J.J. Corey, which is a local Irish whiskey brand located right down the street from Trump Doonbeg. J.J. Corey is a female-owned Irish whiskey brand that's a partner with Trump International Doonbeg. Not only do you have the option to take a shot of J.J. Corey's whiskey on the first tee, but you can also arrange a tour of their whiskey bonding barn just a few minutes away from the hotel. I had to take advantage of this opportunity, and I'm so glad I did. I did not realize how much went into whiskey blending. On this tour, I got to experience a little bit of what it's like to be a whiskey blender, and quite a few samples are offered, which is always a plus. It's also very convenient to order bottles from J.J. Corey because they can ship them back to your home. They also specialize in very unique and collectible blends, including some that you can only buy when you're visiting in person. I made sure to snag a few bottles of those and send them back home. When they're empty, I'll know it's a sign that I need to go back and visit again. But for now, we'll enjoy the sunset at Doonbeg. This is a public beach with a separate parking lot, so you can come and enjoy the beach and the views of the hotel, even if you're not staying there. And as if the hotel wasn't dreamy enough during the day, it feels even more magical at night. I'm making sure I get plenty of sleep tonight because I have a day full of activities tomorrow. First thing in the morning, I happen to find myself in the pro shop doing a little bit of shopping on the way to the gym. It's hard not to stop in when there are so many good souvenirs to look at. There's also a huge gallery area with beautiful photos and paintings to enjoy as well. Another highlight of this hotel are the views. Whether it's the view of the golf course from the gym, or the coastline from the restaurant, you know you'll have a great view no matter which window you're looking out of. As evidence of showing dedication to the history of this course and resort, they've included a timeline of the resort and golf course on the menu at breakfast. The food at Trump Doonbeg is phenomenal, and you can enjoy traditional Irish meals as well as other options that are creative, fresh, and delicious. There are 2 restaurants at the hotel, the Ocean View Restaurant and Trump's Bar and Restaurant, both of which are great areas to relax, even though I could honestly stay in my room all day and watch the 18th green, especially when the maintenance crew goes around and trims the greens with literal scissors. If that's not dedication and attention to details, I'm not sure what is. It's hard to pull myself away from this view, but there are so many activities at Trump Doonbeg, and I want to take advantage of my time here. So first off was a bucket list activity of riding horses on the beach. This was honestly a dream come true on so many levels, and all levels of riders are welcome on this experience. Our next adventure was driving through the town of Doonbeg to get to the Kilkee Cliff Walk. These cliffs remind me of the Cliffs of Moher, which are just 40 minutes from Trump Doonbeg. These cliffs are just as beautiful as the Cliffs of Moher, and there's a nice paved walk along the cliffside. You can also swim in this area, and there's a cafe and restaurant located just at the top of the cliff with amazing views. After our hike at the cliffs, we went back into the town of Doonbeg to visit Tuberty's Bar and Restaurant. We lucked out because it was a Wednesday night and they have live music on Wednesdays and Fridays. I'm honestly not a huge Guinness fan, so I felt a little bit of an imposter syndrome being at an Irish pub and not having a Guinness until someone told me about the baby Guinness, which is a shot of Kahlua topped with Bailey's Irish cream. That was more my style. The night was incredible, and the hotel even provides a shuttle to and from the local town at all hours. So we took the shuttle back, and of course, Missy was there waiting for us. It's not every place you stay that has such a cute greeter at the door. Day 2 at Trump International Doonbeg was complete, and I had one more day to explore this hotel and golf course. I started off the morning at the White Horse Spa. The guests at the hotel have access to the spa amenities, which include a steam area and sauna and deep soaking whirlpools with thermal mineral salts to make you feel even more relaxed. There are 5 dry treatment rooms and a nail salon as well to offer massage and beauty treatments. After the spa, I took advantage of room service to fuel up on a traditional Irish breakfast before hitting the links. In another video, I featured the golf course of Trump International Doonbeg and my round while playing there. Check out that video to learn more about the golf course and comment below what you liked most of this tour of the hotel and resort.